So hello everyone, this is my report about my beta career in Kazakh Telecom. So let's start. Goal and data overview. The main goal is to enhance fleet efficiency and reduce operational costs by transforming raw data into actionable business solutions. Process it over like 23k rows of fuel expenses and 115k rows of transport requests. Plan was data preprocessing and EDA, KPI calculation, and forecasting and modeling. So next we have data integration and cleaning. K tables like the unfit K, plate numbers were inconsistent. A custom Python function using regular expressions was developed to extract the standardized plate ID, as we can see, ID. And this is our graphic. Expense trends and consumption analysis. We analyzed full expense dynamics and identified key consumptions patterns within the fleet. Expenses show seasonality with peaks. Full consumption is significantly higher for other transport, like for passenger cars it's 10.8, and for other type of transport it's like 15.2. As we have noticed, fuel costs are affected by a number of factors such as season, type of transport, altitude, volume, year of manufacture, and etc. So this is our graphic. KPI, identifying overspending areas. Identified specific vehicles and branches with chronic overspending, allowing management to take targeted action. The main indicator is the deviation of actual consumptions from the approved fuel norm. So formula, we have deviation actual divided by norm. So this is our Excel file where we can see this. Predictive modeling for expenses. A linear regression model was applied to 7 months of historical data, or 6 months. Objective, develop a tool to forecast future fuel expenses and improve the budgeting process. The model enables the prediction of expenses for the next quarter with measurable accuracy. Based on the data analysis and modeling conducted, the following steps are proposed for fleet optimization. Automate monthly KPI reporting, norm versus actual, at the branch level to enforce financial discipline. Launch a pilot project for transport outsourcing in Almaty, Astana, and Shymkent. At next slide, we see why it is. Utilize material type expense analysis to standardize fuel procurement and centralize supplier contracts to secure better pricing and terms. So this is my last project I worked for. My mentor sent me a big file of like 35,000 lines. There I took request for a passenger car as a request for Yandex Taxi, and it's divided by cities. I took big cities like Almaty, Shymkent, and Astana for 24 kilometers, and the administrative centers like Atrau, Aktobe for like 20 kilometers, and the average speed I took 35 km/h. Next, I found taxi fares on the Yandex website. I made the first 3 minutes and 1 kilometer free, then added the minimum cost for paid minutes and kilometer 2. I found time as a distance divided by speed, and I made the amount for one application and for a year for each city.